Across deserts, jungles, mountaintops, and hidden valleys, stone speaks, but not in ways we expect. Around the world, we find ancient carvings etched into solid rock, some depicting strange beings, others showing knowledge far beyond their time. Who made them? What do they mean? And why do so many of these carvings seem to echo the same mysterious symbols, even across continents that never met? Tonight, we decode the world's most mysterious stone carvings and uncover a global mystery that refuses to be buried. These aren't ordinary decorations. These are messages left by ancient hands. Some are carved with surgical precision. Others seem to whisper of worlds beyond our own. Let's take a journey across the globe and into the past. 1. Gobekli Tepe, Turkey's carved enigma. Over 12,000 years old. Before agriculture, before cities, before writing. At Gobekli Tepe, massive T-shaped pillars stand in circles, many weighing over 20 tons. But what's most mysterious are the carvings: scorpions, birds, headless humans, and celestial alignments. Some believe these represent constellations. Others think it's a survival message from a civilization destroyed by a cataclysm. How did hunter-gatherers create something so sophisticated? 2. The Nazca lines, Peru's massive ground carvings. Only visible from the air, these massive geoglyphs stretch across the desert. Spiders, monkeys, hummingbirds, and perfectly straight lines up to 10 miles long. Created over 2,000 years ago. But here's the mystery. Why were they made if no one could see them from the ground? Were they ceremonial? Astronomical? Or, as some believe, were they landing strips for ancient visitors? 3. Ica stones, forbidden knowledge in stone. Also in Peru, thousands of carved stones were discovered near the Ica region. They depict dinosaurs, advanced surgeries, telescopes, even flying machines. Mainstream science calls them fakes, but many locals insist they've been passed down for generations. If real, they challenge everything we know about human history. So, why hasn't anyone proven them false or true? 4. The White Shaman Mural, Texas, USA. Along the Rio Grande, a 24-foot-long rock painting over 4,000 years old shows ghostly beings with outstretched arms, strange headgear, and what looks like a celestial map. Shamans? Gods? Or was this a cosmic event carved in memory? 5. Easter Island, the hidden symbols of the Moai. We all know the stone heads, but few talk about what's underneath. Many Moai statues are actually full-bodied figures buried in earth. On their backs, intricate carvings, spirals, wave patterns, and symbols that match designs found in Polynesia, South America, and even parts of Asia. Coincidence or evidence of a global culture? 6. The Petroglyphs of Valcamonica, Italy's forgotten code. Over 140,000 carvings stretch across this valley. Hunting scenes, solar symbols, humanoid figures with aura-like helmets. Some date back 8,000 years. One carving shows a figure holding what looks like a modern satellite dish. Are we misinterpreting these? Or were ancient people seeing and recording something extraordinary